UK care home jobs with free visa sponsorship. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the jobs they are available in UK and then their websites you can visit and then apply for it. Okay, so I don't want to waste my time. This is the first job available for you. Okay, so the first job you can apply for is domiciliary care assistant visa sponsorship available. Okay, so this is the first job available in UK, and then you can visit their website and then apply for it. Okay, so this is their location. Their location is Wanton West, Suzanne, and this is their salary per hour. Okay, for the salary is 12.50 euro per hour. Okay, so and then this is their requirement you have to meet before applying for this job in UK. Okay, so the requirement is you need valid UK driving license. Okay, so if you require if you qualify for this requirement, then you can apply for this job. Okay, and if you want full time or part time, then you have to choose and you can choose it. Okay, so for the full time is availability 37.5 hours or a week. Okay, and this is the details. Provide personal care and then support to clients in their homes. Okay, so visa sponsorship is available for eligible candidates. Okay, so these jobs will sponsor you with free visa sponsorship without paying anything. It's for free. Okay, and the next job available is female domiciliary health care assistant. Tier 2 visa sponsorship. Okay, so female domiciliary health assistant also is the one of the job available in UK. Okay, so um this this is their company name. Okay, their company name is Dignity Careers. Okay, and their salary also is 11.90 euro or 12.50 euro per hour. Okay, and this is the requirement you need to know before applying for this job. Okay, so UK based candidates on students or care workers basis, and then full time UK driving license and then vehicle. So their details also is support to gain tier 2 visa for UK based individuals. Provide care by visiting clients' home. Okay, so this job also is available for you. If you are interested in this job, you can visit their website and then start applying for this now. Okay, and the third one also is community care worker. Okay, community care worker. This job also will sponsor you with a visa. It's free, you won't pay anything. Okay, it sponsor you with free visa. Okay, so if you are interested in this job, you can go there and then apply it now. Okay, so community care worker sponsorship, straight visa sponsorship available. Okay, and their salary also is 23,200 euros. Yes, this jobs their salary is 23,200 euro or 28,000 euros per annum, which is per year. Okay, so this job their salary per a year. Okay, is 23,200 euro and 28,000 euro. Okay, and this is their requirement. Minimum of 1 year of UK community care experience, and then ability provide reference for current and post employment. This is their details. Assist clients with daily living activities, including personal care and then medication administration, with visa sponsorship and then accommodation support are available. Okay, so this job also will sponsor you with free visa, and aside that, they will give you a place also to sleep. Okay, so this job is amazing. Okay, you can visit this job website and then apply it before it's too late. Okay, and the next one also is care assistant. Okay, for care assistant, this job need only female. Yes, it just employ females only. So if you are female and you are interested in this job, then visit their website and then apply for this job now. Okay, so um care assistant need female only. Visa sponsorship, visa sponsorship. So these are the company name: Magnus Care Limited, and this is their details. Provide high quality care and then support to individuals in home care or home care settings. With visa sponsorship is available to eligible female candidates. Okay, so these are the some of the jobs available in UK. You can visit this job website and then apply it, and they will sponsor you also with a free visa without paying anything. Okay, so if you are interested in any of these jobs, then visit their website and then apply it now. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Here is Nelson Mayo channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more videos.